Hi guys, we're back out here at the Thomasville Diesel Expo and Show. We got Daniel, Cody, master team behind these Peterbilts right here. So tell us about it here.
Mine is a 2005 379 with a C15 cat, 13 speed, 355 rears, sitting on low pro 24s. We got air ride by horse on the front from Mike, good dude. RLK visor and breather panels, Dynaflex 8-inch pipes, Valley Chrome watermelons there on the mirror. Just a work in progress, man.
Now this was formerly, y'all used to haul logs, right?
Yep.
So this is a whole log truck.
Well, I started out hauling crushed cars for Mr. Garvin Gann out of Pembroke.
Okay.
And he's been a big inspiration in my life to sort of make something of myself, you know.
Yeah.
Got a little dent there from a turtle that thanks to Cody.
Yeah, you were telling me about that. Run us through that story real quick. How'd you get that dent right
Cody,
now?
Let's tell him about it, okay?
Well, I got Mario Karted and a turtle hit me on the side of the road, and
the turtle hit him, okay?
Yeah,
Yeah,
a truck
hit the turtle,
and then it hit me
yeah,
while I was driving his
King
truck.
Coopa'd you.
Yeah.
And that was a nice phone call I had to call.
Yeah. Yeah, the turtle dent.
It's that stuff you can't make up.
Yeah. I'm gonna put new tanks on it once I figure out the paint. I got a Nick at Amcam sent me the blank panels, cow panels. I was just waiting to get it painted, you know. The guys out of Douglas stretched it for me. I got the merit deck plate.
You said what, 3 17-inch wheelbase?
303.
303. Okay.
Yep, 303.
Yeah.
And
Now, what do y'all? I know y'all pull reefers now, so what do y'all haul now?
we all chicken and produce. Just whatever will fit in the trailer, we'll haul it.
Well, if it needs to be cold or not cold.
That's right. My banker don't care as long as the payments is made.
And we were just discussing earlier too about the original paint on this truck. You were talking about painting it, and we had a discussion on, do you leave it like it is for the look?
A lot of people tell me that because they say it looks like a West Coast truck, and that's what I was going for, because a 359 is my favorite truck, but I'm too fat for that. So I had to get me something with a wider cab, and that's why I got that visor from you. And you do an outstanding job at taking care of us local boys, man, and we appreciate that.
What about the yellow one over here, the one Cody drives? Tell us about it.
I pretty much let him treat it like it's his truck. I mean, I'm the dummy that makes the payment on it.
There again, as long as the banker gets his money. Right?
That's it. It's we just rebuilt it. It's a C15 cat, 03 model, 18 speed on 355s.
Okay.
With Dynaflex pipes, RLK breathers, lights, the visor, RLK visor. The floor was done by Florida's Finest Custom out of Florida there. He done the floor and the upper panel.
I like the marble look to it.
Yeah. He done a great job on that. And done it in a timely manner, you know, we didn't have any downtime with it.
Yeah. And y'all pretty much run together, don't you?
Yeah, I mean, every chance we get. We're our local poultry plant there is right there at the house, so we stay in the southeast. And
I imagine the reefer work's a lot easier on these trucks than the logging was.
Oh yeah, man. The logging, there were so many obstacles, and took some years off my life, and it put us home every night. But if you're not there at home, you ain't doing no good for your family anyway. And when you mine somewhere else, you know, with this, it gives you a peace of mind. And I told Chris last night, you know, Josh Lemke said it on his video, once you get it in your blood, you can't get it out, man.
Yeah.
And this is we dream trucks, man. This is our life.
And I come from the same background. My dad drove a truck his whole life, and I drove a truck there for a while before I started doing what I'm doing now, and I've always still owned trucks. It's like you said, once it's in your blood, that's it. It's like a disease. I mean, it's just you can't get rid of it. You know, it's always going to be there. You may not be trucking, but it's still going to be there.
Some smart tail the other day told us, or told me when I come in, so guys just want to show off, you know, with trucks like that. And it's not a show off to us. This is the way we live, man.
Yeah. Well, I've always
we
said
keep our lawnmower clean as we do our trucks.
Yeah,
you know, it's just our way of life.
Well, and that's the way I've always told people. It's a lifestyle. It's
That's
a
it.
career, it's a job, but it becomes a lifestyle.
Yeah.
You know, just because it's so encompassing, you know, of everything you do.
Yeah, and it's not work. It's not work to us,
It's a
man.
lot easier whenever you enjoy what you do.
That's right.
That's
A
right.
lot easier.
Yeah.
I mean, your average guys don't want to be out here standing in 100-degree weather. And we do it because them kids getting in these trucks, man. Look at them trucks. Our day's been made already.
Yeah.
And everybody putting this show on Cole and the Daniel, the fellas that I've met so far, they treat us like they've known us all our lives. So.
Yeah. Well, and that's what I like about it too. Is, you know, like y'all really. Y'all come to have a good time. Y'all don't care about trophies. Y'all come to have a good time, and y'all want the kids to enjoy it. Y'all want people to, you know, that don't normally get to sit in a truck and all that. You know, you want them to.
We was them kids.
That's right.
That's for sure.
That's right. Mm-hmm.
I remember going. I couldn't drive at the time. My buddy Malcolm used to take me with him down to the Wildwood and the mats and stuff, and man, it was always my dream.
Yep.
And I sat around the shop one night, me and Amy, and I told her, I said, I've got everything I've always prayed for. You know, everything we blessed with what we got, and I wouldn't trade it for nothing in the world, man.
That's right.
I had a little kid come up to me a while ago, was talking about my truck, and he said he liked the floor and stuff, and he said he told his mama that he always wanted to grow up to be 18-wheeler driver, and he asked me questions about it, asked me how I liked it, was it fun, and I said, buddy, it ain't nothing like it. I said, you get to ride around all day, look at new stuff, and talk to your buddies on the phone, and
Get
don't
flipped
wanna talk, just turn the radio on.
and get flipped off occasionally and stuff like that. You know, it all makes it
yeah.
worth it, man. You got to just smile it off, and
It's got its ups and downs, but you just got to look at the ups.
that's it. That's it.
Yep.
And that's with anything in life, man.
It is.
You know, there's some people just down and out, and there's people every day that's taking their last breath, man. And I'm gonna make use of all of mine.
Yep. That's what it's all about.
Yep.
Well, guys, appreciate the conversation. Glad y'all come out today, and always like looking at the rigs, and like I said, I'm glad that y'all are enjoying it and letting the kids enjoy it. And
Well, I want to thank you, man, for taking care of us small-time boys.
yes, sir.
It's guys like you and Evan with Time to Shine Polish. You know, we use his product, and no matter where Evan sees us at, you know, he's 3 foot taller than all of us, but he'd go out his way to.
He can see everybody.
Yeah, he'd go out his way to shake our hands, and you know, he just.
Yep.
It's guys like that we like supporting, because
That's right.
you know, we're nobody in the trucking world. You know, I'm not gonna say nobody, but we're, you know, not TikTok famous and all of that, but we love what we do.
Yep.
We're not putting on a show here. This is us.
Well, that's what's important.
That's it.
So that's why y'all good people.
We appreciate it, man.
So
And thank you, Chris, for everything you do, brother, for promoting the trucking industry and getting it out there, man. You do an outstanding job.
Well, thank you. I appreciate it too. All right, guys. I'll see you.